Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are a straw lover, you are going to love this storage solution.
Malldii has made this 9.5-inch acrylic straw holder that sticks right to your cabinet door. I am a straw fanatic and I need a better storage solution for my straws. This is the perfect thing. I love that it has these air holes and you can place it at the exact spot and height that you need for your straws. They come with very, very strong sticky tape that you put right on, and I just chose the perfect spot on my cabinet door. And next thing I knew, I have the perfect thing for all of my straws. I use this to hold my glass and metal straws, and I am so happy that they have the perfect home. I can see them and they are nice and organized. It really is the perfect thing for straw addicts. Honestly, buying this is a no-brainer.
And that's my point of view.